When you think of an image, you kind of dream it up first. There is no difference in how I approach making an assignment like a Vogue cover or a personal shoot. I fixate on an idea, and then I go out and make my idea happen. In this class, I'm going to be discussing what I do when I make portraits of subjects in natural light. I'll be walking through how I compose my photos, and essentially all the ingredients that go into the recipe of making pictures. For my early work, the camera that I used was a camera that I borrowed from my friend. You don't need expensive gear to make beautiful photography. Whatever you can get your hands on, I would suggest to try. Even your phone, with what you have in your pocket, it is very possible to make something striking and to tell a story.
Gorgeous. It's important to be adaptable to whatever kind of sunlight conditions you get and to work with it and not against it.
That's nice.
With film, it's a very patient process. You're not trying to just like shoot. That's nice there. Hold that.
To tell your own stories, it's important to think about your experiences in your life. I mainly want to see protagonists both look like me and be experiencing a certain freedom in public space. So when I make images of friends hula hooping or enjoying seemingly mundane pleasures, it's about thinking about freedom that I wish for them and for myself. The most important thing to do is to continue making pictures and to share them online. That's been the main way through which people have been able to engage with my work, to see what I'm up to. There are no rules to this.
Okay.
Suppress those feelings of self-doubt.
That's perfect.
The main thing that you should follow is what excites you, what inspires you, and your personal sensibilities. Now, ask yourself, what kind of stories do I want to tell? I'm Tyler Mitchell, and this is my masterclass.